So a few questions that you could ask your James Hardie contractor is one, how familiar are you with the product? Is this something that you guys do quite a bit, or is it just something that's a one-off, one of the services that you provide? You're going to be able to tell that by asking for a list of references, projects that they've done in the area that have the specific James Hardie products that you're going to be using on your homes, whether it's board and batten or shakes or the James Hardie trim, James Hardie soffit and fascia. These are all products that take a certain level of expertise and skill and familiarity with to make sure that they're done properly. So you want to make sure that they're familiar with the products and the installation, and then go take a look at some of those projects. Another thing that you can ask is if they're part of the James Hardie Alliance program. That program is intended to pre-vet some of the contractors that are on that list, so that the homeowners can feel comfortable when they hire a James Hardie Alliance member that they've gone through all the requisite trainings, they're familiar with the product, that James Hardie has done a little bit of the work ahead of time to make sure that the installation and the business is going to follow through on the things that are outlined in the contract.